हेलो साथीहरू, आज हामी युटिलाइजेसन अफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इनर्जी पढ्न गइरहेका छौँ र हामी छौँ च्याप्टर 1 अन्तर्गत, जसमा चाहिँ एकदम सिम्पल च्याप्टर रहेको छ र मेजर युजेस अफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भन्ने बित्तिकै अब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी त अब हाम्रो डेली लाइफमा युज भइरहेको छ है। अब यसको हिस्ट्री हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ 18th सेन्चुरीमा होइन हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ इट हेज बिकम इम्पोसिबल to imagine the world without electricity, and electricity has been the essential part of human life है। यसमा त अब केही भन्ने कुरै छैन। अनि a vast economic growth witnessed across the world has led to a sharp increase in the demand for electricity in the past several decades, and according to International Energy Outlook 2016 published by the US Energy Information Administration, जसलाई EIA पनि भनिन्छ, वर्ल्ड्स नेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जेनेरेसन इज प्रोजेक्टेड टु हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ इन्क्रिज 69% बाई 2040 हुन्छ भने फ्रम 21.6 ट्रिलियन किलोवाट आवर इन 2012 भनिराखेको छ। अनि द राइजिङ डिमान्ड रिजल्टेड इन द इन्भेन्सन अफ मेनी new resources of power generation, and beside the environmental damage caused by the coal fire power plant has been a key driver behind the invention of new sources to produce electricity। यो अब हामीलाई थाहा भएकै कुरा भयो र according to the 2015 data, what we get is the country which is more developed uses more electricity. Look, annual per capita consumption of electrical energy: Iceland, Liechtenstein, right, Norway, Canada, USA, Japan, China, and the higher the electricity consumption rate, the standard of the people is assumed to be high, as they use more luxurious thing, as well as the electricity is consumed when there is more industry. And currently electricity is generated from a wide range of sources including wind, solar, nuclear, and biomass, among other. However, coal continues to be a major source of power generation, although it is being replaced by natural gas, renewable, and nuclear power. According to report by Energy Council, coal fuel 40% of the world's electricity in 2015, and from this graph it is clear that renewable energy graph is like this, and nuclear is what we tell is not followed because it is dangerous, as well as it is not environment friendly. And after then petroleum and other liquid, we use natural gas, coal, and there are the major uses of electricity, and one of it is residential uses. A significant amount of the total electricity produced globally is used for household purpose, and it is used for computing, water heating, television, refrigeration, cooking, and lighting. And from this pie chart we know we can evaluate the highest portion is in residential, and the country is said to be a developed if it is in industry, and industry is only 5.8, and we have transport is 7.4, and commercial is only 1.9, and agriculture and forestry is very minimum, that is 1.3, and it is according to a data Nepal Energy Sector Assessment Strategy and Roadmap ADB 2017. We get the data, and here is residential uses for what we use, industrial uses As we know, industry uses huge amount of electricity to power a diverse range of manufacturing processes, and due to a surge in industrial activities, industrial consumption of electricity has gone up sharply in the past few decades, and in some manufacturing processes, electricity is used to increase the temperature of component in order to achieve the desired product shape, while some industrial facilities build their own power generation plant, other rely on supply from utilities. We can see most of them have what own equipment, right? And we have electric transportation. Transportation is widely used by public uh, transit system and by electric vehicle across the whole, and electricity is used as fuel by railway network in many countries, and electricity is also used to charge batteries for electric vehicles, as many countries frame policies to contain environmental pollution caused by burning of fossil fuel in transportation. Vehicles that run on batteries are gaining prominence, we know. So electricity is seen, right? Electricity is what is a major contributor in transition to greener transportation, and according to the International Energy Outlook 2017 report published by the EIA Energy Administration US, the share of electricity used in transportation is projected to double between 2015 and 40, led by increase in the number of plug-in electric vehicles and rise in electricity uses for rail network. However, the electricity used in transportation sector is estimated to occupy just 4% of total delivery electricity consumption in 2040. Very good data. And commercial building electricity finds vast uses in commercial building that include offices, hospitals, schools, police stations, warehouses, hotels, and shopping malls, among others. It is used in lighting, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and a large amount of electricity is currently being used for street lighting in almost all countries, and medical facilities require continuous electricity, and according to EIA report, electricity used is estimated to increase the most in residential and commercial building over the period of 2015-40 due to growth in personal income. Thin personal income and rising urbanization. सँगै यसको advantage, we have advantage, but what we do is we have advantage of electrical energy in all over the other one, right? And its most advantage is flexible what flexible flexible operation, flexible operation, right? Flexible operation, electrical energy can be easily generated step up, step down, and controlled using different equipment, and such operation and control flexibility is not available in case of other forms, and in efficient transmission, right? In modern old power plant are located far away from residential communities, and electrical energy is efficiently brought from remote areas using conductors, and such efficiency would be negligible in case of other form. Convertible electrical energy can be easily converted into other form of energy. Electric motor are used to convert electrical To mechanical electrical energy can be converted into heat energy. In case of heaters, irons, and electricity can be used for producing heat energy. It can be used for heating, cooling, melting, and other industrial purpose. Flexibility. I know electricity is most flexible uh, source in terms of generation, transmission, and operation, control, and distribution, storage, and conversion process. Generation flexibilities. It can be easily generated using turbine and generator. Transmission flexibility. uh, Flexible transmission using conductor wire. Operation flexibility, flexible measurement and stepping control. Flexibility, excitation, stepping and switching control. Distribution flexibility can be effectively step and distributed. Storage flexibility, DC batteries are used for storing electricity. Conversion flexibility can be converted from AC to DC, DC to AC, or to other form of energy, and it is a clean form of energy. Unlike other, it doesn't produce smoke, fume, pollutant, and other poisonous gas are not associated with electrical energy. And for further video lecture to be continued, please subscribe the button. Thank you.